The OSU Child Development Lab is among the oldest in the country, and it's a place where students and future teachers come together for a one-of-a-kind educational experience.
What kind of ruler was it?
So the Child Development Lab is a hands-on, developmentally appropriate child care facility that we get to use within OSU as a laboratory for our students who are studying education. It is a place where children grow and learn to the best of their ability between the ages of 1 and 5.
And this is like the Disneyland of schools. When I came here, I was so amazed at what goes on here. Because there's so many toys and so many puzzles and so many books and so many people. It's just really fun here.
Okay, tell me more about cheetahs.
I like them
Why do you like them?
because they're my favorite animal and I like to chase my sisters.
One advantage of the Child Development Lab is that it gives OSU students a chance to get real-world experience without having to leave campus.
So in ECE, or Early Childhood Education, we're very fortunate that we get to have this mock classroom. So we have half of our classroom set up as a lecture, which is where our ECE students who are majoring in ECE come. This is where they have all of their core classes. And so any resource that an ECE teacher student would need to go to create a lesson, they have access to. So we do lots of things in here. We will lecture and then we will automatically go over to this side of the classroom to implement.
It's been really rewarding as I've taken a lot of child development classes and gone through the program. It's really cool to apply what I'm seeing in the classroom to what I'm learning.
That's one of my favorite parts about working here is to get to be with college students. They bring great value to our classrooms and they learn from us and we learn from them, and it's a really good experience.
I've learned so much from just the way that they handle situations and certain kids and how they apply things and their teaching methods. I've learned a lot.
And so to see students take what they're learning in the classroom, in our classroom, and then transform that into a learning center for the children is just, it's so rewarding.
Having both certified teachers and student teachers in class means increased resources and a more thorough education for CDL students.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
When we think about our children developing between that ages of 0 or birth to 5, that's such a crucial time. The CDL provides one-on-one support, meets the children where they are, but also provides a very developmentally appropriate environment where children are playing, they're using play to learn.
That's one of my main goals every year is to teach them that learning's fun and that they learn to love reading books. One of the most important things we teach here is the social skills, like how to say, no, I don't like that, can I have a turn?
I think they benefit so much. My first week here, I was put in preschool 1, and they were doing sign language. A lot of them can't really talk that well, and so them knowing more please, all done, thank you, I was just mind blown. I was like, these kids are so smart. And then, I don't know, their social interactions in preschool 3 and pre-KK are incredible, and I encourage anyone who has a small kid to put them in here.